we're gonna die at our time. I'm gonna get wet.
Oh, here we have blue.
Now,
First, you gotta get your paintbrush wet in the water. Awesome.
it's blue.
Yeah. Go ahead and try to paint on your paper. Color's really light.
Yeah.
Let's get our paintbrush wet again. And this time on the blue, can you count to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
9,
10.
10.
Good job. So we didn't add more water. We just had our paintbrush go around in a circle on the paint for about 10 seconds. Let's try again. Get your paintbrush wet. This time, let's count to 20. You think you can do it?
Yeah.
All right, let's try. 1,
1, 2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5.
20.
Let's keep going. 6, 7, 8,
8, 9,
10,
10,
11,
11,
12,
12,
13,
14,
14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, let's try to paint with it now. Oh, that color is so dark.
Look like him.
All right, go ahead and put your paint in the water, but first, come back to your paper. Check your paper.
Good.
That's good. All right. 1, 2,
2,
3,
3, 4, 5,
6,
7, 8,
9,
9,
10. All right, let's try and see what it happens. Oh, I like it.
It's darkened.
Yeah. Get your paintbrush wet and put it back on your paper.
It's lighter.
It's lighter. So the more water you add, the lighter it gets. Do you want to keep painting?
I'm to get it.
You want to do all the colors?
Yeah, I'm do all the colors.
Let's do all the colors.
Oh, do all the colors.
First, get your paintbrush wet. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
It's fine.
Nice. Let's try again.
With
Get your paintbrush wet.
white pink.
Get your paintbrush wet.
With white pink. I'm white pink. Pink color.
Let's see it.
Pink. It's so bright.
It is so bright.
And one white back. So bright. It's bright.
Nice.
I want to do this. Pink. Pink color happen. Biking the pink and the marble.
Can I join you?
Yeah.
I've got my paintbrush. First, I'm going to get it wet. What color should I use?
Baby, purple.
This purple? 1, 2, 3.
Now
1, 2,
now
3.
you dark blue.
The color gets darker.
1,
1, 2, 3.
No, they're my color.
Oh, yes, of course.
1, 2, 3. Well, I done blue too.
Nice. Let me change colors.
I'm gonna take colors.
Good job getting your
I-
paintbrush wet.
Going to
What color should I get?
Mommy. Wait.
I'll get white. 1, 2,
2, 3,
3, 4,
4.
5.
A yellow. Attendance. I mean white.
Good job changing your color. I'm going to do orange. This one.
No, that one mine.
Oh, which one should I use?
Maybe blue.
Let me change colors.
One pink color again.
2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. What I don't mean. I going to white again. Oops. I'll get my white again. Oh
3, 4.
no! White! I'm going to find this one.
1, 2,
1, 2.
2, 3, 4, 5.
The pink. Let me write this one.
Did you clean your
The
brush?
pink.
Get your brush wet. 1, 2.
1, 2. I'm white. No, that one mine. I'm going to write purple. They're all the colors.
1, 2, 3. All the colors.
I want to wet. Wet.
This one? Or this one?
This one. The pink. I mean red. Wet. What the red? I'm taking my marker. 1, 2, 3. Look! Let me fight again. Get my pink. Oh no! Oh no! Yeah, all the colors. What? Yeah, all the colors.
Can you say keep being creative?
Keep me quiet.